Yes, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Miss Abdullah.
Okay, mashallah.
Myself Mandisha Mariam.
So, Walgustan, please hurry, do open page number 157.
Yes, they opened.
Yes, sir, opened.
Okay,
Today
mashallah.
we will not join.
No, we will do it in the same
Sir,
day. Okay, Saturday, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please concentrate. Every word on my today is very, very important. As today we are concluding the chapter. Listen, beta, it is 157. I am muting you all. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, some rules I am telling to you. So, okay, see it carefully. Okay, yes, just tell me fast. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Okay, on page number 157. Okay, multiple choice questions. Okay, the first question is multiple choice is 2 upon minus 3. The whole power is 4. Okay, is equals to. Okay, if this question or multiple choice question comes, so what you do, as you know that the power is a number, at that time we have to multiply the given number. Okay, so 2 upon minus 3 into 2 upon minus 3 into 2 upon minus 3 into 2 upon minus 3. Remember this thing, that negative sign is there, so it will remember to put negative sign also. If power is 3, 4, 5, whatever be the power, the same number of times you put negative sign also. Okay, so this will be your 2 to the 4, it will be 16, and it will be 3 to the 9, and 3 to the 9, it will be 81. Okay, but remember what will be the sign, it is negative or positive. Remember this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times negative sign comes, so it is 4 is even number, so we will put a positive. Okay, means answer automatically comes in positive. If number of times negative sign comes is odd, so in the answer put the negative sign. If number of times the negative sign comes as even, so put positive sign. So take here what will be the answer according to this, it is equal to option C. Okay, option C is correct one. Okay, I am telling you this again in the examination assessment coming. Okay, so if there is a MCQ multiple choice questions, okay, so you should also do the solution in the rough part. Okay, means I want the calculations. Listen to everyone. Okay, the next one, for example, number question 2 will remain the same as it is. Question number 3, I am telling to you how to do. Okay. Yes, tell me, beta, Mantasha.
Sir, can you please tell again one more time?
Okay. Yes, beta, Hana, you tell me.
Sir, I wanted to ask when are the assessments coming?
Beta, it will be notified you. Everything is notified now. Okay, I am telling this question means the number of times as what will be the power. This is your called power or exponent. Okay, so as power is 4, so we have to multiply the given fraction 4 times. Is it clear? The second thing which is I'm telling you, which is very important, that is if negative sign is there, okay, so you have to put the negative sign as many times as the power is given to you. If the power is even, okay, then your answer will contain positive sign. If the power contains odd means the power which is whatever the power is given, it is odd, then the number of times, sorry, the number of answer means what will be the answer, it will be of negative sign. Remember this thing. Okay. Yes, Mantasha, is it clear now? Yes, Hannah, please lower your hand if you don't have any query. Okay. So moving to the next question, that is question number that is question number 3, which is very, very important. I am telling to you, please keep my words in your mind. Okay, what I am saying, which is important and which is not important. So this question is very, very important. Remember this: 2 raised to the 5 into 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, is equals to. Okay, what to do? How to do this question? Okay, we are doing it very easy way. First of all, please see the method carefully. Again, I am saying to you, please see the method carefully. What we do first, as I told you, 5 is the power, so we have to write number 2 5 times. It is 1 2 3 4. It will be 5. Then 5 having power of 4, so we have to multiply 5 4 times. Okay. Now, as this is MCQ or objective question, so we have to also look on the answer, what type of answer or in what format what type answer is given to you. Okay, so answer is given in the form of 10. So 2 and 10. So there is no 10. So we make it in the form of 10. I am again saying I am doing this on the same slide so that it is easy to see on the screen. Okay. Okay. Listen again. The option is in the options 10 is there, and here there is no 10. So we know that 5 into 2 it will be 10. Okay. This 2 and this 2 will be 10. This 2 and this 2 will be 10. And this 2 and this 5 will be 10. What is remaining? Only this 2 is remaining. So we can write 2 into 10. This thing will become 10. 2 into 5, 10. This 2 into 5 will become 10. This 2 into 5 will become 10. Okay. So how many tens you made here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens we made. So we put 4, 10 raised to the power 4. Is it clear? Listen, this is very, very important. Yes, beta. Who is asking? Aksar, Ryan and Fayyaz. Yes, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please tell question number.
This question number 3 on page number 157, multiple choice question.
Sir, question number 4.
Beta, this is question number 3 MCQ. Oh, multiple choice questions.
Please tell again. Not understanding.
Which part?
Part in part 3.
Okay.
-3 4 3.
Yes, beta. Fayyaz want to say?
Sir, please tell question number. Sir, please tell question number 3. To upon this, sir, which you explained. Sir, please you can explain this again.
Okay.
Sir, what you were saying about 2 that I
Yes,
did not understand.
Wada, Sharish, yes, tell me, beta.
Sir, in 8.5, I want to ask you last question, fifth one.
Beta, okay, I will tell you. You will message me. Please concentrate what I am telling you. This is very, very important. Okay. Okay, beta.
Tell me.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please tell me question number 3 once at time.
Okay, okay. I am, yes, everyone mute yourself. Okay, I am telling again this question. Beta, who made this? Okay. So question number 3, I am telling this again. Okay. 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 4 is equals to. This is the question, and solution is, as we know that whatever be the power, we have to write the number the same times. Okay, beta, why Umar you are doing this? Okay, as I am telling you, I have to write this 5 times as power is given as 5. Okay, and on 5, beta, what are you doing, Umar? And whatever be the power on 5, we have to write 5 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see options given to you. Okay, the first option is 10 raised to the power 4. Second option is 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. Third option is 2 into 10 raised to the power 5. And D option is 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, now what we do, we see there is no 5, only 10 is there. So we convert, we made 10. Okay, we know that 5 into 2 will be 10. This 2 into 5 will be 10. This will be your 10. Oh, sorry, this one. Okay, and again the last one is, this is your 10. Okay, how many 10s you made? You made 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 10s you are making. Okay, so 10 will be 4. Okay, 4 times you made 10. What is left? This part, only this 2 is left. So we write 2. Now check the options. Which one is according to your solution? This part is similar to this one. Okay, so B part is your correct answer. Yes, Umar. Okay, Umar. Yes, Umar. Hello. Yes. Are you there? Umar, you can speak now. Okay, this thing is clear to you. This is very important. I am telling you. Okay, this type of question will most of the time, if you practice this will be very easy. Just concentrate what type of answer is given to you. Okay, now moving to question number exercise, review exercise. Okay. Okay, before that, there is this a question in question number 2, 8.5, which is very important. Okay, so question number 2 of exercise 5.5. Okay, I am telling you what to do in the question number 1. Question number 1, which of the following numbers are perfect cubes? Okay, 4 numbers are given to you. You have to factorize it, prime factorization, do it and make a pair of 3, because we have here, we are going to make perfect cubes. Is it clear? Yes, beta. Yes, Amina, tell me.
Sir, I'm asking 8.5 question 3.
Okay, I am telling to you. Wait. Yes, Ubada.
Yes, sir. I'm saying that will you explain question number 2 also?
Of multiple choice questions of
Yes, sir.
or
No, sir. Express 8.5.
okay, I am telling you now. See on the screen, I am just writing it. Okay. Yes, Abdul Ahad. Tell me.
Yes, sir. In question number 3, sir, please tell that second part, that minus 3 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 3.
Of multiple choice question.
Yes, sir.
Question number one. Which question number you are asking?
Sir, question, sir, review exercise.
A review exercise. Okay, I am telling you. Wait. Yes, Fayyaz, you want to say something? Just lower your hand, Amina and Abdul Ahad, I am telling you. Yes, Fayyaz, want to say something?
No, sir, by mistake my hand was raised.
Lower it for us immediately. Okay, question number 2 of exercise 8.5. Find the smallest number for by which 6400 be multiplied to make a make the product of perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the product. Okay, now what you have to do? We have to factorize it first. Okay, do prime factorization of 6400 and factorize it first. It will be your 3200. This will be your 1600. This will be your 800. This will be your 400. This will be your 200. This will be your 100. This will be your 50. This will be your 25. This will be 5, 1. Okay, so I am doing here. You can see. So 6400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, now the very important thing is that here, see according to question what is there, find the smallest number by which 6400 be multiplied to make the product as a perfect cube. Means we have to make it perfect cube. Okay, and we have to, which number we have to multiply so that it become a perfect cube. We all know that for making a perfect cube, a pair of 3 is required. Okay, for making a perfect cube, a pair of 3 is required. Okay, then it will be a perfect cube, otherwise it will not a perfect cube. If there is no cube and no means pair of 3 is not formed, so it will not a perfect cube. See here, this will be a 1 pair, this will be another pair, and here 1 2 is left and 1 5 is left. So 6400 is not a perfect cube. I am again saying, for making a number to be a perfect cube, we have to make a pair of 3. Okay, here we take 2, here we make 2 out, here 1 2 is left, 1 2 is left, Okay, and here 1 5 is left. Okay, if we make 1 2 and 1 5, then it will be your complete pair. Okay, means 2 is there, 1 2 will become from here, it will be 3, and 2 5 is there, and 1 5 comes from here, then it will be your complete 3. So so you pick 1 2 from this group, this side, and 1 5 from this side. So the smallest number by which the smallest number by which the smallest number will be 2 into 5, that is 10. Okay, then means 10 you have to multiply 6400 by 10, so that it will become a perfect cube. So we have to multiply 6400 by 10, so it will become 64,000, and it is a perfect cube, and it is become a perfect cube. See again, here 1 2 is missing from this side, 1 5 is missing from this side. So we will add, we will put 1 2 and 1 5 and multiply it. Okay, because here it is written what numbers to be multiplied. Okay, so 10 is the number to be multiplied. Okay, so that the product will become a perfect cube. Okay, is it clear? And the next part of it, also find the cube root of the product. So cube root we have to find of 64,000. Okay, this we have to find. What we are doing again, we have to factorize it and make a pair of 3. Okay, listen to me, I'm first make factorize it and make a pair of 3 as we are doing. So we see that when we make a pair, okay, of 6400, now it will become 64,000, not 6400. Factorize it like this, so you will get already what you are getting. You are getting 1 2 and 1 2. Okay, you are getting now after doing this. To take a cube root, it will become okay. So you take 1 2, 1 2 here and 1 2 from here. It will be and 1 5 from here, and it will become, your answer will become 40. Okay. Yes, is it clear to everyone? This is yes, Shari Shanawaz.
Yes, sir. Can you go in the back in the solution that you showed?
Okay,
about
I'm
three com-
okay. I'm
And
going back.
in that, wait a minute. In that, after when you're solving after 200, you have written it 100 or 10.
Beta, when you divide 200 by 2, it's automatically 100. Beta. Okay.
Yes, actually it was written 10. That's why I was
Okay.
asking.
Okay. Yes, Ubada. Share, turn off your mic. Okay. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir, I'm
Ubada.
saying that if we would have been finding the cube of a number in which
Okay.
only 1 2 would have been left,
Then.
like a pair of 3 2s wouldn't have been be able to make. So
Okay.
we would have multiplied the number by 2, right?
Listen to me first. Okay. If if the question is given, okay, any number is given to you. Ubada, you are listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if any number is given to you and it is given in the question, what will be the smallest number to be multiplied? Okay, so that it will become a perfect cube. here also the change will be in perfect cube. Sometimes it question will be perfect square. Okay, then what
Yes,
is
sir.
the difference between in cube there is a pair of 3 and in a square there is a pair of 2? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever, see here, as I'm telling you in the previous slide, 1 2 is left, okay, and 1 5 is left from here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means if 1 2 is we put 1 2 and 1 5, then it will become a perfect cube.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing. Okay, whatever be the missing, you
No,
are
sir. I'm just saying that if only 1 2 would have been left, then we would have multiplied the number by 2.
yes,
Yes, sir. Just this is all.
just
all I mean.
just to complete the pair. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but in
And sir, if 2 2s would have been missing, then we would have multiplied by the number by 4.
beta, but only take one thing and make it a concept that whatever be the number you are putting, okay, it should make a complete square or complete cube. Means pairs should be completed. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. And this is very important from today, inshallah. I am telling you, not allowing late submission, okay, so that you can do your work on time. Okay, because the work what we are discussing, do it on the same day. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that your queries, whatever be the queries, it will be discussed on the same day. Okay, I am
Yes,
giving
sir.
you
Okay, sir.
time also for that, so that you will discuss, you will complete your queries. Whatever you the queries, please WhatsApp me as soon I got the time. Okay, I will reply you, inshallah. But remember thing, whatever be the queries, you should also send me the solution that here I am doing mistake, or here in this part I am having a confusion. Okay, I'm not sending the
Okay,
exact
sir.
solution. I will send the solution only then, only after, when the students send me, here I am finding difficulty. Okay, yes. Moving to
And
the,
sir,
yes, tell me
maybe
first.
in chapter number 5, you were explaining us like the exercises you were explaining. Like on the first day, you explained us exercise 5.1. Then on the second day, 5.2. That was also a good way,
Okay.
a nice way.
Okay, so beta, actually I am concluding this, so you have to be very much do it today, and remember all the laws of experiment. Everyone remember the laws. So moving to question C, here we have to find the question number 5 of exercise 8.5. Question number 5 of exercise 8.5. Okay, see it carefully. Okay, this is very important. 50 into 36 into 75 whole upon 1715. 3 is there. What does it mean? It means that a cube root. Okay, we are talking about cube root. Okay, 3 is here. Now, how will you solve it? Okay, how will you solve it? This question. So, what is the way of solving this? First of all, we have to write it like this. See it first thing. If x is there and this is your cube root, so it means that x raised to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, everyone remember this thing. And if it is just under root x, x means any number you will put here. Okay, it means that x raised to the power 1 upon 2. I am told this earlier also, we don't put 2 here, but after 2, if there is a cube root, then we have to put the 3. Okay, so here what we do, wait, I am telling you this thing. Yes, beta, hold for, let me complete the solution, then I will tell you. Now what to do? First we write it like this, 50 into 36 into 75 upon 1715 under root 3. First step. Second step is that I am not doing the factorization. You do it. We write 50 as 5 into 5 into 2. This 36 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, and this 75 will be written as 3 into 5 into 5. I am doing it, you do it, and show here also in your copy. Okay, means you are doing factorization, so you have to put here. Now 1715 can be written as 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now see it properly and carefully. What to do next? Okay. See here, this 5 is cancelled by this 5. Okay. Only this one thing get cancelled. Now what is remaining there? Okay. And the sign is remain same. Okay. Now after cancelling, listen to me carefully. After cancelling, as we are cube root is there, we make a pair. Okay. So this and this. Okay. So we are putting 5. Okay. This 2, this 2, and this 2. We make a pair of 3 and take 1 out of it. What happened? Okay. So we put a 2. They're not highlighting. So here you can see that we can put we make a pair of 2 once again, and we make it 5 into 2. Okay, and we are seeing here a pair of 3 is also formed. Okay, so we make a pair of 2 earlier, and we make a pair of 3, and in the denominator a pair of 7 is there. We make a pair of 7. Okay, make a pair of 7 and put it in the denominator as it is already given in denominator. So on solving it will be 5 to the 10, and 10 into 3 will be 30. and it will be your 7. So this is your answer. This is very important. I am telling you. Yes, tell me. Okay, tell me, Wada.
Yes, sir. Please show the last slide.
Okay, I'm telling. Yes, beta, Hana. Wada, mute yourself, please. Hana, yes,
Sir, I want to see slide fifth one.
okay. Yes, Amna, beta, tell me first. Yes, Amna. Yes, for yes. Yes, Farhan. Yes, beta. Okay, I am seeing the previous slide, fifth one. Okay, the question is 50 into 36 into 75 upon 1, 7, and 5.
Yes, sir.
This is the question, and this question is under cube root. Okay, so we have to solve it. So we have to simplify it. Yes, who is? Yes, beta. Kazan, want to say something? Then mute yourself. You do not want to say something. Yes, Mantasha.
Sir, everybody is speaking and your voice is not coming to me.
Yes, I am telling you this again. Question number 5 of exercise. This is the given question. You have to simplify it. Okay. What you are doing, starting, this is just we are writing the same question. Just do it, make it under root sign, make it 3. Just factorize it and write it under root sign. Okay, cube root sign. Again, I'm saying just we have factorized 50 and right here, we have factorized 36 and right here, we have factorized 75 and we are writing here. In the denominator it is 1715, so we are factorizing and writing here. This is the second step. In the third step, what we are doing, we are making a pair. First of all, we simplify it. Okay, means see this 5 can get cancelled by this 5. So whatever be the remaining number in numerator and denominator, as we are doing, as we are making a cube root, we are solving the cube root, so we are making a pair of 3 and take 1 3 out of it, 1 5 out of it, and 1 2 out of it, because complete pairs are formed. And in the denominator again complete pairs are also formed of 7. So we are taking a complete pair of 5 here, 1 5 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 3 from here, 1 2 from there, 1 3 from there, and in the denominator a complete pair of 7 is formed, so we put 7 here. Is it clear? Okay, so we on simplifying 5 to the 10 and 10 into 3 will be 30 and 7 will remain as it is. So this is your answer. Okay, so in this way you will complete this question. And the second part is where you also do it same way, just as plus sign is given in between, so just find out the cube root of 512 and make a cube root, find out the cube root of 343 and the denominator 1000 and 729. Just find out the cube roots and then apply the signs operation, means in the numerator the whatever be the answer comes. Beta, please continue 5 again, join the meeting. Okay, because I have to tell this question. Join the meeting once again because only few seconds are left. So this way you will do it. Means I'm again saying finding the cube root of 512, finding the cube root of 343 in the denominator 1000 and 729. You have to find out the cube roots and simplify it. Okay. So in this way you will complete this, and this is a review exercises. You all have to do this thing, and just start preparing from the 5th chapter fraction. Okay, everyone start preparing because I will give you going to give